bra. Today be today. Today I get two big men of God. Prophet Tie and one sorry prophet Adagweja here on my show. Today it will be massive. Prophet Tie, spiritually, physically, how do they see Ghana future?
Let's make it plain and get everybody to understand.
You want to tell me say Ghana no good future, Abi?
It's what I'm talking about.
You are right, because what some of our celebrities they do.
Don't do that.
What some of our ministers, when they do parliament, they do.
Cats, don't do that.
What some of our policemen, military men, government workers, they do.
Sheep, don't do that. Chickens, don't do that. Human beings have gone mad.
Give them one tear. Pause for there at the come. And then wagging. So some solid for at the Greja, alias AK to Ukunufu. At the Greja, one prophet prophesied say Shatawale would die. The date pass. Shatawale still the walker, they go. No more than somebody got confirmed. And then I walk on. And you see the video too where Shatawale. I mean the fake video.
This is why people die before their time.
I don't understand Ghanaians.
Don't you want to become like me?
Hey, so me jabi 3 mani fuku who said what you fear me. You come here see a mountain.
What do tenant yaka? Who's a baby job criticizing me? Me three years for a boss. Was sister blue? Wow, blue near the channel. Was sister blue?
Yeah. Dia broke a Caribbean de Bufuaba.
Obvious who here. Sequabras Yamaso no Tima, and three no Ayawadia. Some sorry, I was a bit Chimisia, Manu Boa, a Boguanum.
Semijina he, Mr. Elder Yirinchi Koto Road, Ross Shebeman, and Pampe, Abayi Banchi Abui.
Oh, Prof, you hit too much. Oh, wait. Oh. You be pastor, some of the words, some of your words, you for cover arm with clothes. I be so. Rather how social media come make. If you not speak camera roll like that, people know they hear. Ear know they hear. Ear trending, the word fashion, the word slave quainting, where you come cover this word internet of know they hear. You see said recently Facebook went off. You be stranger. If he overheat, the nonsense will be go on for the Facebook talk. He overheat. He go burn right now. One day we go wake up a burn. The Facebook say burn. Nonsense sausages. Africans know they use the Facebook where people, the white people, they use some make money. See somebody they go just use African police, Ghana police, create some foolishness, stupid video. It go trend. You know, go reach a level where because be star, because so shatter, funny face, trending, the word trending. She last word 2-3 words na end. A core end, no be swabe overtaking. So what you say? A debut and buasie womb. Ana semia maninyanso was the word trending him. And then soon, banning regina, dear deal, a trendy ye. So, wow, creating our 5 minutes and to say, Ghana and Brenia, yet you celebrate and then the action and the action. Yes, you will jam granted bear. Now, be ya braswa, your debut honoma. Dear Dobe fam, Enkofa Ukuro Mugana, now with me, Sika, now was my foolish case no, a bear international assembly. Enya ye say ya show unkom say ya nkompan control na we sunsun nipa wo je sunsun nyamadi na ya bo date na ambaso no doesn't mean say oh me create bibi dia gidi hwe nyame mu no 1+1 nipa animu ayetu ana nyame mu no 1+1 timi e wo nko ana nya 1+1 timi da ne 3 it doesn't really necessarily mean say date na pofi na adekono say boy say mpa embrem na po say date na potimpo na mbemu a ye creative fa ye trend no wada ho so that so hu say some people wish you dead enkrofo people who ni wani ngu ase ne wa hwe ase ne wo end say be ba beto internet say Shatawale show the enti wo be show musu yi ne watu humfo na wo de mo de aye trend obi so de ba ya che say depression abrochire depression ye common thing insu a yesano waba butire nko na nya papa bu ma na befo aba na embom woni nam train station wadi da train station da abraba twani suda ya afemu anipa onye star umbetimi mbegimi hu men trending ti no eye busua depression na ehye ho a ekunkun krofo ebi nso timi overcome no wodi ye ne de otwe camera ba na bon krofo mienu miense din ana kese agiye ama menua funny face menua no ayeye ababa ku mienu miense nipa bi di wo ma no tum na kese o mani ehu wodi ye na koyese obodamfo a ono so abodam ya te ase bet all record ne ho se ne enua A+ ka kira abna kokono wo so wa agrimu yare bet utimi hu nyansa record ho se wodam ne ba se wo de ko to YouTube wadi musika na eche se ebu apaye ni da ho edam na wo de no aye no wo ya na ye na ntemi so aba no me ba cho omo high stars on depression e bi nkomo ana try say wo be hu we a wo be overcome no say spiritual physical a wo be solve dan say e be da he na fa ne he ni you know because depression yen na embe ma yenya wo e common wa brochiri aye common e wa brochiri krata asem depression obi ti ya ahe yes wo hu ne yere da ne mada depression egu abrochiri egu awale bebre because we ni krata we so musumi ndi wachi ba we so mi ni wachi obi ti yo so ko Germany me yere se me nko ma aduma ne ye abrochiri depression depression boga fo na de ba yo afia kwantum ne ba Ghana woti wodi dokono enkran dokono na we wadon ni etwimeko dokono ne yama obi so no find the same situation mu ya wade bi afse to timi overcome nti why bi ye dos dodo fani ye di abro comedy ne ye kan asema ye kan ne sen obadwemba na ne kasa abusua emre na ye be obi asem wo kan bebre wan kan ye bet wo hwe de han so ne ye be kan de bi ye twam ma wa asa wo de wo ndwene adwene ni mutirim de yakoso no wo midie de na apa kire enye de bia de yesresem to ne bia asema ese ye kan obi akabu so abekan wo de nyansafo ane abadwemba fo so ayi minimum kase de minimum se enti ase ne be dead pefe emre du se wo ye star wo ye police wo ye hwanya wo yi wo post bia yetimi equal right no se de abrochiri se de ye chi hia ni sikani a oye mo star oye mo bokrasi sikani no emre du se etimi ye adwuma o Ghana na ye fire to my free because obetimi the police for di agro no da je trend otimi je se embra ichi eche na ikomo mode na adu se numreja asiwo asu obi asiwo na hwie fufu ama ye twa bi di command se wondi no san ne baba ndanka ho that is Ghana for you as an manyire timisinti ya na enyenwa but if you dey Europe those who know what they go on for Europe here, who know the situation where many people they pass through, they know say this depression word come from Europe. You know be Africa, you know be African people them are word it be Europe. Because it be Europe where depression, you know, document issues, marriage, somebody Europe, they break many people in my marriages because some people have their wife in Africa and because of document they can't go there. They don't know if you go there, go see their case and wife. And all this, the character about depression will be the sushi way. Some people they Italy maybe job no day where Charlie or Bema or Germany. Charlie baby go ne konso I came to because kitikiti bi ade mo ba no Italy say our dey no depression somebody no the place to sleep train stations appoint to na Ghana dey abusua kro na etwa enwo ahye wo bet ma ko da abusua fie kro bet ma ko wadanfo o nsu to no maba Europe bi sa no dey here e ka wa cancel the wadanfo we dem dey here or the mad people we dem dey here or 90% be depression So depression be European where they be buggers we discover this word depression. So funny face, we dey beg you be star. If you know be nobody that your depression thing come out. You put camera or you put your camera on you nobody will hear you, no go trend, no go go. To all those meeting was a major but because nobody probably knew me said it will trend into then ba. Aye Shatawale yacho ya trendy makriti it's all because Ghana the cash star and star the action ya job. What I say quite fast so ya it's simple. Europe here yet me DSM case one case year 2002 case they refuse renew this 2001 where it will come make new case where it will come trend again where the person body go back on again that be good for you. But Ghana you see somebody go fit do something 20 years ago they don't catch them then one day it go stand up come now when I was in the world I used to do this now I've seen Christ Jesus. They will catch you. That time they won't catch you. There's energy way they won't take catch you. That energy will come again. They will catch you that right now. So you see the difference between Europe and Africa. Joke, play there on the eye top. You for raising up and back up. Shatter and all those people using trending and this thing. Who do to do before who the law will catch them before make them escape good. Make we see. Because this one the professor know they catch them, this one they act, you know they come in. And you know they go anywhere. Within 1 week and another issue will come way, this one way we they follow now. You know they can be. Oh no. About for Ghana, but God every day. We still they learn in Europe. Because we day here, not be only money where we find. We they learn sense. So when we come home and then our ministers and all those people they come liar. The moment we begin they talk now, say hey, this one a lie, this one a lie. And I mean kind of tinting, you just said the Ghana air kuya. Said the internet. Edi Ghana air kuya, Africa kuya. The world trending Edi Ghana kuya. In the next 10-20 years, and then you be as a baby. And check on Facebook and WhatsApp take call every 6 hours. Shall you be as here? I say you call that them 1980s nanka a fear by TV dear just what you can gigi and the way TV see. And to baby I just said Muko Jolly Jolly better featuring. Now I say Sati be any minute yasako. Kese trending the word trending by the nipa every year. Ediak ama ajidi ye 1 week pedi no aden abusuya aden yankwa Ghana internet so de bia amanfo hwa brofu internet so a omo di create business obi sele minimum crofo bi e kese me pese be body kese followers ne views omo obi pa bet omo no kese ntokwa ene ne mahunu and like the comments, like so where the dear me the obedient internet and sell it on a dear be the business be nipa views na yesika but so who year and a better nisika and tesa obey you nufu obedient kwasi asem bia the trend the sansa Ghana also so no se police ni cheap celebrate ya enkosi hwe celebrate aburo prison so celebrate etimi use police no any abine or my Monica Krakemina, and the Agindi Agro for trend. Bruchel, how dear Agora was so by a Wokora and a Fediato, I'm getting Nancy. Not just say, yeah, the end dear. So, one drain, said then the best actually. Oh, Yachina, and then Mumriness, your china, or better, Yagi, money day. Bruchila 70 did by 20 years, me I say renew na ko peja banana na TV so hu ya wato ayese. Chese Ghana de ye ni bi senti obi kura ti bi di bone a atwam ayanche no na afi na o kan already so se kane no no yes aboni we mere ko abrochire wonya bie wa do kan ya hwe wacho ne yenya wancho 20 years waka ya bechew asa a fresh case it is any mani nyina ye panyimfo no so ata abrochire cha ye ntimi apply bi o Ghana ntino ato ya ne nsem kwa ni jimie ne nsem hunu we are not all ye we we are na police a chi so shape cha na ye da so gire da benta Ghana. We there, we go voice out. Shout out to all those who they support good and the truth. And the time is up. This be Bantibi Kosuya TV show. The Bantibi TV be this. It be top, you did. It be in the watch. Don't go, don't just go. Just click on the subscribe button. The one way they down. Click on it. The red one will turn us. And us white. Me I see am what you, but if you be us, the red go jira. You will see am us. Then you click on the all bet. Meaning any video I go download, I go put, you go see here, you go here, you go, I mean you go see them. We they do more things this year. We need to stop. We need to stop. Like KK, you say like KK, we say we don't stop. We still they do what we they do because so far as we know, say we they do the good thing, the good job, and the positive, the thing where they come with the voice out, they be helpful, to people where they watch her. Nothing will stop us. And shout out and a thank for everyone. And those who they support us this channel since day one till we rate this far. Charlie bless her. Bam. Follow.